This is the part 2. Good morning. Part 2 of my vlog about my home. Good morning, Oklahoma. I just want to show you my place again. This is the back part, my porch. I don't know, porch, whatever. And this is my neighboring by the way, my neighbors, not neighboring, neighbors. Oh, I saw a turtle. Look at that, a turtle. Wow. See? Hey, little turtle. Hey, buddy. Hey. So this is our parking area. This is the parking area, and this is my neighbor, another neighbor, and this is my location. Is it beautiful? Very beautiful. Another parking area. Well, punta muna akong papalapit ako. And there's the old house. There's the house. My landlady's house. Diba ang ganda ng place ko? It's just $535 per month. And this is another house for rent, but I don't know how much it is. I'll show you the front part. Not page, not. This is the front. Diba ang ganda? Okay lang ako dito kahit na ganito lang ang lugar ko, pero very quiet and peaceful and very comfortable. Tignan ko muna kung nandito pa ba yung turtle. Nandyan pa siya naglalakad. Tignan mo, naglalakad ang turtle. Naglalakad siya. Come on.